Hello, this is our...
Hello!
This is our vikar.
Ja!
Jeg ved ikke, hvad vikar hedder på engelsk. This is our substitute. Okay, and this is our library, where you can sit and do your homework and work, but only if you are quiet. Bonjour, tu t'appelles comment? Je m'appelle Sauve. Du son de bébé, voulez-vous pêcher mon cœur?
Skal prøve det på mig der? Nej, ikke den vej. Der nu.
This is a toilet, and this is a toilet too. This is our common room, where you can sit and walk along. And the teacher's room, where the teachers are sitting and working. Hello, my name is Solveig.
Hello, my name is Catherine.
Hello, my name is Pernille.
Hello, my name is Lærke.